In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your VidIQ password. Whether you've forgotten your password or you're just looking to update it for security reasons, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and easy transition. First things first, you'll need to navigate over to the VidIQ website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the VidIQ URL, which will take you to the homepage. Once you're there, log in with your current credentials if you haven't already. Now, once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options available to you. What you're going to do next is look for the option that says Account Settings. It might be a little way down the list, so make sure you scroll if necessary. Once you find it, click on Account Settings. This will redirect you to a new page dedicated to managing your account preferences and settings. On this new page, you'll find various options to customize and secure your account. But for today's task, we're focusing on changing the password. So locate the option that says Change Password and click on it. This will bring you to the password update page. Now you'll see fields where you need to enter your current password. This step is crucial as it verifies your identity and ensures that no unauthorized changes are being made to your account. After you've entered your current password, you'll then be prompted to enter your new desired password. Make sure it's something strong and secure. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters is always a good idea to enhance security. Once you've entered your new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the field provided. Double-check your entries to ensure there are no typos. After everything looks good, submit your new password by clicking the Save or Submit button on the page. And there you have it. Your VidIQ password has been successfully changed. Remember to keep your new password safe and consider using a password manager if you have trouble remembering it. Regularly updating your password is a great habit for keeping your online accounts secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay safe online and see you in the next video.